If you build a better burger, the world will beat a path to your door. In this case, it's a farm-to-table, Colombian-inspired burger, and people are lining up for it.
Okay, tenemos una hamburguesa que es el Van Hel. So when we first had the idea, we were like, it's 800 square feet. We'll just start here, and then people were waiting outside of the door, and we were like, oh my gosh, this is a good problem.
Kat Pascal has the happy dilemma that every entrepreneur dreams of. Hers is Farmburguesa, a restaurant with locations in Vinton and Roanoke's Grandin Village. Don't worry if you don't know how to say it, because it's a made-up word.
What if we name it this? What if we name it that? And Jimmy, he's like, what if we just combine two names like hamburguesa, which is hamburger in Spanish, and farm, which is the theme that we're going to make Farmburguesa. And we were like, what? That isn't, okay, maybe you're onto something.
The name stuck, and the clever locally created logo helped complete the public's perception.
I think that once we created what the overall foundation of what we wanted and wanted to see, everything stemmed from there to make it tie back to the farm to table, to the community, to culture and heritage, to entrepreneurship. So a lot of things come with that name. Just how we wanted the patty. You wake up and you're like, did we really get to create this?
We refers to Kat and her partner Jimmy Delgado, Ashley Overbay, and her husband Andre Pascal, Kat's brother.
Oh, this is our special seasoning that we have out of Monticello Spice It, and they make it specially for us.
So it's secret.
It's a secret.
From local beef to local spices and family recipes, the idea is to make everything as sustainable and original as possible. Not to mention delicious. Then there's the Hispanic connection. Kat was born and raised in Roanoke. She learned to speak English at Hurt Park Elementary School, but her parents were from Colombia, and many of the workers have Hispanic roots.
What you'll find is that most are bilingual, but we feel most comfortable when we're back here and speaking in Spanish to our team members sometimes.
The success comes from more than a clever concept. There's real work and innovation, like these rare press grills that speed up cooking times, and staff members who can do it all.
Everybody's cross-trained, so the people that can build your burgers can also go and take your order and put it in the point-of-sale system. They can also go back and start making the sauces should we run out and need extra help back there.
Another part of the success is community. There's Farmburguesa, where the restaurant donates to local nonprofits. And Kat started the Latinas Network in 2020, which now has hundreds of Hispanic women helping one another.
Like I said, I was born and raised here in Roanoke, and being an active member in the community, I think it is important. I love to see people supporting us, but I also want to make sure that I'm out there supporting them. So a lot of little give and take there.
Community, heritage, and tasty original burgers are just part of the recipe for success.
The key to making your idea work is tenacity. I think it's a lot of resilience, a lot of perseverance, really.
But when it all comes together,
that's a dream come true, I think. I think that's the American dream.